5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
My name's Caitlin Walker, and I'm the founder of Woo Rocketry, Wash U's rocketry design team. I created this team because I wanted to give opportunities for engineering students interested in aerospace to have technical experience similar to what NASA does in the real world, as well as soft skill opportunities like leadership skills and teamwork skills, which are essential as an engineer.
I joined Woo Rocketry in order to gain some hands-on experience and work on a real-life application of some of the engineering that I've been learning in the classroom. And I think I've been able to do that. I've been working with CAD software, which I've had no prior experience with, and I've also been able to work on the design for the nose cone of our rocket. And I've been able to learn a lot from both of those things.
I joined Woo Rocketry because I wanted to get the opportunity to learn about rockets, which I hadn't gotten to really discuss in any of my courses yet. I'm also interested in working in the aerospace industry, and so it was a great opportunity to get some sort of hands-on design and work on a project from the ground up. It's given me a really good appreciation of how many people it takes to get a large-scale project like this done. There's a lot of people contributing at various levels, and even the smallest sort of contributions help out. It's really cool because you can come in with a ton of experience or no experience at all, and you get to onboard onto one of the sub teams through training. In between weekly updates from our whole team meetings where you get to see what all the other sub teams are up to, you sort of watch the rocket come together over the course of the year. And we also get to participate in STEM engagement and interact this year virtually with kids in and around sort of the St. Louis area and some other schools from some of our different members. So yeah, it's been a fantastic experience, really has added value that I could not get within sort of a classroom environment that's limited to a one semester project. So been super thankful for that. And I've met some really cool people in other engineering departments that I otherwise might not have gotten to interact with.
Part of the reason why I joined Woo Rocketry is I'm really interested in sort of the space industry and the problem solving that goes on with creating a rocket. And I thought it would be, being a new club, it was sort of cool to get to jump into something that was very new, and all of us are sort of like learning things as we go. Probably one of my favorite moments from this year. It's been hard because we've been all virtual. But one of my favorite moments from this year was when Ryan, my sub-team lead, and I went out to try and test out one of the parachutes, and we had 2 backpacks that were full of weight that weigh as much as the rocket does, and we tried to find the highest point possible to drop them from, and we dropped them, and the parachute just didn't open, and everything just went crashing to the ground. And it was pretty funny because it was the height of the building that we dropped it off of was really just it was just way too low. So it's been really great so far, and it's only going to be better once everything is back in person.
The coolest thing that I've experienced with Woo Rocketry has definitely been presenting to NASA personnel and listening to their experience and their feedback from both a safety perspective as well as a general engineering perspective.
I joined Woo Rocketry because I thought that designing a rocket just sounded really cool, and my experience on the team has been pretty good. I do a lot of 3D modeling on the team, and I found that I've actually gotten like a lot better at 3D modeling since joining, and this is something I worked on this year. And yeah, it's really fun, like designing stuff and building and testing.
Joined Woo Rocketry for the love of all things rocket. And despite being online this entire year, it's still been a very nice experience working with a super dedicated team to build a rocket and see all of our hard work pull through to launch day.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.